could do this shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort. Nigga, none. Shoes took a house, I took your bitch, took that hoe to town. Play my role so good, after I hit, I took a ball. Take some pounds for a pile, take your time, take it serious. I'm curious, should I buy me a watch or an aquarium? Get your sack took, we gon' take you for a joke. If you like that last batch, bring some money, take some more. Wanna take them to the A, don't know what's right, I wanna take the country. Wait 4 years, we take precedence every day. Nigga, take me to the horse, not the club, bitch, the Porsche. Holding took off with my dick, I should be taking her to court. If you take me for a hoe, I'ma take it to your porch. Only fear the Lord, anybody else can see the more. Give me 30 seconds with her, I can get this bitch naked. One bullet out that K, it'll leave the toughest nigga headless. Dog don't need one drug to act reckless, so I sober he up and put one in the nigga melon. One time for my dukes, one time for my pops. Free twink, rest in peace T, fuck the ops. One time for Lil CJ, one time for Lil Rock. 50 rounds in that top, niggas move, niggas drop. One time for wine though, we did that bid in KY. Play with me, it's going down, bitch. One time for Young Jock, one time for Cocaine Cash, nigga off top. One time for them, we got coming by the flock, nigga. One time for a real nigga, leak hustle and leak a bustle. You a fool, you think leak tussle. My running back come from Cali and make peas fumble. Think I work at McDonald's, I make that cheese double. Think I'm making Big Macs, I let that bread triple. I got a Big Mac, that bitch a shred niggas. Saying my name, better stop while you ahead, for they look for your body and find nothing but your head, nigga. I don't wanna fuck if I can't get the head with it. You see the trophy hoe, you talking to the breadwinner. Little ungrateful bastards, I can't stand niggas. Like I ain't play their parents' role when I fed niggas. Like little nigga, I can do that shit with no effort. You know I do that shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort, nigga. Shout out to my niggas cause they grind for them to shine. Shoes blood, red bottom like they ride under the fire. In Guam with my bitch, we at V-Quay Hoyle. Niggas hating but ain't never been off US soil. Nigga, this morning I started off my day with a map and a prayer that I made it there and back. Bro, this your bitch, so while she sitting on my lap, let that chop clap and push the nigga head off his neck. Was you watching the news? You saw them indictments? Okay, so you know I'm stating facts. Last niggas we was beefing with, man, I can't even think of what cemetery them niggas at. Like little baby, I can do that shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. Watch me do this shit with no effort, nigga. Ah!